Oh my God, babe. Mallory, you just smoked it. There he is, way over there. Oh, there he is, blowing up, see him? What'd you say?
How early would we have to get it Sunday?
Would we? Yeah. What do you mean, we?
I want to shoot a turkey.
We?
Yes, we. We. Would this get their attention?
Oh yeah, that'd definitely get their attention.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Yep. Yeah, I'd say so.
My dad said, let me at him. I will.
Yeah.
Do you want to shoot him?
No, I'd love to see you shoot. I've shot a turkey before.
Oh, look at that deer track.
Yep, a whole bunch of them.
We didn't see any turkeys.
Huh? Yeah, we did.
I'm just kidding. We saw 3 turkeys. I guess we saw one. What are they called?
Tom.
Toms.
Yep.
He was preoccupied with the ladies.
Yep.
Now Clayton's making me walk 5,000 miles back to the truck.
You'll be fine.
He promised Mexican food though.
Huh?
He was probably gonna think we're siblings.
Probably so.
We're engaged actually.
You gonna show him the ring? Oh yeah. Way too bright. Hold your hands still. There you go. So we're gonna try and come back out here in the morning. Saw where they roosted. There's a tom and a hen. Couldn't get them to gobble at all this afternoon. I know where he roosted, so see if I can't put her right on him.
Been up for 2 hours. Yeah. She's now saying good morning.
Where are the turkeys at? Maybe they ain't gotten out of the roost yet. What do you think? Your toes are wet and you're cold. You're sleepy. I just heard him gobble. Yeah, it is. I can see his beard. That's him. What?
He said his women weren't out here.
His what? Those women. Do you see him still? Look, there's a deer way over there. Just straight across the field. Two of them. Second one just come out. Well, struck out this time, didn't we?
Yes.
Mallory, 0. Turkey, 1.
You act like you weren't here the whole time. We saw a turkey, and then we heard a turkey, and then we went looking for the turkey, and then we scared a turkey, and we never heard the turkey again. That's what happened.
Yeah, they got the best of us. We were about to pack it up on the way out and heard them gobbling on the other side of the woods. And he got the best of us. So, have to try it again next time. Man, oh my God. What is it, Thursday afternoon, and he's on the neighbor's property. 6:40. We're currently scouting Mallory's bird. We left the shotguns in the truck. She better be thankful because we're about to get within shooting range of this bird, I think. There's deer right there. Yeah, look at the camera. So Mallory's turkey made him gobble a couple of times. Matt finally got to see a tom. Oh shoot, zooming way in. But we finally saw her bird, one that gave us the run around the other day. See if we can't get on him tomorrow afternoon. Come out here in the afternoon and set up right here by him. I've seen him right here in this spot about 3 times, I think. Yeah, so. What is this, like hunt 3? Something like that. We've been outsmarted by the turkeys multiple times. So we're gonna go out here and see if we can't watch him roost. See exactly where he's going, what he's doing, and maybe get on him in the morning. But if we can get him this afternoon, that would be awesome. Cause then I can go in the morning and get me one. I hear you.
I need to tie it.
I gotta put the camera down. Got set up, we set up with turkeys in the field, so I didn't really set up where I wanted to. We got 2 hens, I believe, about 50 yards from us. Mallory's trying to confirm right now. Yeah, there they are. It might be a jay. We have eyes on the top. Be still. Well,
We'll be
we
back
came
in the
and
morning.
watched. We conquered halfway, and we saw. Mallory got excited. We're gonna try it back in the morning. Come back. We're set up in the same spot. We watched them roost. Or well, we didn't watch them pitch or fly back up, but
We watched him walk in the woods.
we watched them walk in the woods, so gives us an idea.
And next year we'll start a little earlier in the season.
Yeah, I think so.
Like opening day.
Opening day.
I'm ready. The turkeys are way funner to hunt than the deer.
I think Mallory's been struck with the turkey bug. Alright, we'll be back in the morning.
Good night.
Spray everywhere. Yep. I see him. Holy cow, there's a bunch of them.
I want you to walk this way. Walk this way. Walk this way. I want you to give me a kiss.
Well, we've seen the same Tom. Saw Jake this morning with him and 2 hens. And he stuck to them hens. Same route they did yesterday afternoon. He gobbled today though. A lot. I think we're gonna go try and get permission for this field that he's in. At least maybe for today. See if we can't make it happen. Dear Lord, we thank you for another day. Thank you for another opportunity. Thank you for allowing us to be out here in your creation. Pray that you be with us today and allow us to get it done. If it doesn't happen, we still thank you for being able to be out here and enjoy it. Just be with us, keep us safe. Bring the turkeys in range. And allow Mallory to get her first turkey today. Coming down to the wire, and we're hoping that it happens. Know that you provide, and you will provide. And thank you for all that you do. In your name, pray, amen.
Oh my God, babe. Mallory, you just smoked that bird. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Babe, get up, come on. Babe, you just smoked that bird. No way. I told you. Hey, what did I say? The Lord will provide. I told you. He does.
Drilled him.
No way. Go grab him.
I'm not touching that thing. Y'all are crazy.
Come on. Go grab him. Take your face mask off.
I'm not touching it.
Come on.
I've never shot that shotgun ever.
You absolutely drilled it, Mallory.
Babe, look at the beard on that thing.
Good gosh.
Come here.
Come on, go get in there.
I don't want to touch it.
Oh, you got to.
You got
Oh, you got
If you
now.
start slapping its wings, I might freak out and drop it.
Yeah, you can drop it.
Hey, Mama. I sure did. I'm scared of it, actually. It's still moving.
Hey,
Mallory, get back over here.
hey.
What happened to princess treatment this morning?
I put you on a bird. Noah, you think that's princess treatment?
I mean, look at you go. His head's about to touch you, Mallory. Oh yeah, get that selfie in there, Mallory. Go ahead, Mallory. Go ahead. Go.
I hate the way I look
That's what I said, Matt. Look at the beard.
I mean, those are some
I need some deodorant.
huge Eastern hooks.
Yeah. Let me see them things. Yeah. Let me see that beard.
Gotta rope them.
Got her done. Last day.
My Snapchat story said,
Last.
gotta show the men how it's done around here.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah.
I mean, he got a paint. I mean, he come out the woods, with a little paintbrush, and I was like, oh boy.
Yeah. He was when we first saw him this afternoon, he was out in the field, like middle of the field. That's where we first saw him this afternoon. We hunted this morning, got permission here, came back from 10:30 to noon. Yeah. We got permission to this field today for turkey for the day. Yeah.
It was a
We
like
literally
a
said-
4-hour lease is what
Yeah.
it was.
Yeah, it was a 4-hour
We
release.
said we really just need it for the day.
Yeah.
That boy Jesse come up to me. I'm glad you got it. Now get off my land.
Did you really?
No,
No, he was happy.
No, he was good.
He
Yeah.
was,
I mean, that bird was 35 yards, Matt. We ranged it.
Yeah.
It was 35 yards. Dropped.
Yeah. I got everything on film too. I mean,
I think
it's good film too.
We had-
Two different angles.
Well, the two different angles with Clayton. Clayton was
Didn't you get you got it on your phone too,
I
didn't you?
didn't get on my phone.
No?
I got on your
Okay.
phone. Because by the time they come in, it was just.
Yeah.
I'm sitting there trying to record. Clayton's all in.
Yeah.
I could hear Clayton breathing over my shoulder.
I'm like, Mallory, come on. She's like, I'm coming,
I
Noah.
had to think for a second. I low-key thought I
Me and
missed
Clayton
it.
are running out the woods, and she's like,
I was just sitting
Y'all
there.
have to jump out on them.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
we
did.
ran out.
I ran out and
I
grabbed him.
thought I missed him.
Yeah. Cold-blooded killer.
Sharpshooter Clark 2.0.
Hey, look, Matt, I told them on the way over here, no calling, no decoys, nothing. I said the Lord will provide.
Oh, he does that. He does that.
Did I not do that in
Oh,
Indiana?
he did.
Did I not do that in Indiana?
Taking this guy.
Somebody grab my face mask.
The Lord will provide $100,000
I got it.
job.
Clayton, I got a
He'll do the. It's meant to be. It's meant to be.
Yeah, that's
He
what we
goes, "The
prayed
Lord
earlier.
will he goes, the Lord will provide, and I was like, all right. Next thing you know, a little thing comes, and I'm like, and I see the Jake flying. I was like, it's about to happen.
So no decoys, no calls.
No decoys, no
no
calls.
dogs.
All
Sitting in the woods.
Yes, exactly.
we sent it all to the Lord today. It was all up to Him.
This whole line, we picked the
It's
spots,
all up to
and
him.
it just nothing.
Yeah, nothing.
No calling, no nothing.
Look, it was
Three
perfect.
Stooges.
We looked.
Took a nap.
We had a live hen 20 yards to our left, and they come in 30 yards to our right and met right in the.
Yeah, and I was like, and in my head, I was like, that's a poke, Mallory. Like whenever
Yeah.
you're ready. She said, I closed my eyes, and
I do
Close
it.
your eyes.
Yeah.
Closed my eyes when I shot that deer.
that's crazy.
That's,
I just aim
Them
and
hooks, they got a little curve.
I just aim and pray and shoot.
I ain't never seen
You get close up on that thing.
Yeah, it's every bit of 4 inches.
Oh yeah.
It's massive.
It's over. It's honestly too big.
Too big.
Too much.
Too much.
Take a shirt. All right, go
I
ahead.
do it.
So put it right there where the skin meets it. Right here. Stretch it out.
11 and a quarter.
11. Caught 11 and a quarter. 11 and a quarter.
That's a freaking bird right there. Wow.
That's a paint.
My biggest bird was 11.
Look at me, just schooling you.
It's ridiculous.
Yeah, I know. This is ridiculous.
Spurs. You think the Spurs got over an inch? Do it the other way.
Here, you got it.
They right at an inch. Sitting at an inch. Spurs are sitting at an inch.
I can't believe
I don't
that.
even know what she did.
No, she don't. Just like that buck she shot.
She didn't say I shot a bigger buck than you this past year.
Yeah.
The Indiana one doesn't count.
It does. It does. It 100%.
No, it doesn't, because I didn't go to Indiana.
That.
That doesn't count. Clayton, tell him. Tell him.
I'm not saying nothing.
Hey, go turkey.
Well, that's it. I've been out here every day.